very careful with this part. Definitely don't want to hurt yourself. Gotta move that finger. It's been so long, I actually forgot how to close this thing. Shout out to my battle buddies, 689th, 841st. Let's get back to the unboxing. Oops. What's in this box? Nothing? Is this thing really empty? There's nothing in here. For real? Come on, Samson. An empty box? What about this one? It says pull here. It's that little arrow. Wait. Okay. See the USB-C cable? That's it? Nothing else? Come on, Samson. You could do better than that. Okay, so there is a pull tab here. Not coming out. There we go. Okay, there's the SIM card ejector tool. And let's see what's in here. The rest of the box is empty. So we got the quick reference guide, Samsung Care, or terms and conditions, and that's it. That big old box for a few sheets of paper and the SIM card ejector tool. Alrighty then. Gonna need this later, so let me just grab it now and put that thing right back where it came from. This thing is so photogenic. Here we go. This thing is so photogenic. I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. Looks like jewelry. I can't even lie. This phone looks gorgeous. Let's check this thing out. So we got the volume rocker and power buttons on one side, nothing on the other, no headphone jack, USB-C, and that's different. The S Pen on the left side this time. Okay. Other than that, the S Pen looks pretty much identical to the last one. Let's see what this thing can do. Some of you guys might not know this, but I am ambidextrous. Although I prefer writing with my left hand, I can write with my right hand. Come to think of it, I do everything else with my right hand. Let's go. Next. Note 9, Meet. Note 20, Ultra. Talk about a long name. Be sure to let me know what features you're most interested in the comments down below. Hey, don't charge. Transfer. Yeah. I'll spare you the details. So, first impressions. Screen is gorgeous. Very, very fluid. I don't know if it's my imagination or it does seem to be a lot smoother than my Note 9. Let's check out these wallpapers. Let's check out this new live wallpaper. Ooh. They look like rocks. Not sure what it is, but it looks like rocks. I could get used to this refresh rate. If you want to see more, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to know when my next video is posted. Until then, be safe. See you next time.